So someone commented this on this particular video I made. So I'm actually doing this video to create clarity on the question for him and every other person that might be going through this challenge. For a total beginner that is using DaVinci Resolve Fusion for the first time, if you want to add a node in the Fusion page, you have two ways to do that. Either you head over to this area and select the node, click, hold and drag into the workspace, automatically your node will be added, or you use the custom shortcut, which is Shift Spacebar on your keyboard. By hitting Shift Spacebar on your keyboard, it will open up this window for you. Now you can search whatever node you are looking for, or you can actually scroll down or upwards to look for a particular node. And once you search for anyone, let's say rectangle. Now this is our rectangle node. Now you hit enter on your keyboard, or you click add with your mouse. Automatically our node will be added into our Fusion workspace. But now we have only the node, which means that we cannot send our node into the media out, meaning that you cannot render out your project without your media out. So for you to add your media out, now you do the same thing. Click on this node, this same rectangle node you have added, and hit Shift Spacebar on your keyboard and type media out. Then hit enter on your keyboard. Automatically it will be connected to your media out. In this way you can actually render out your Fusion project. Now hitting 2 on your keyboard, it will review your media in, which is actually your rectangle node, and hitting 1 on your keyboard, it will send it to the source monitor. You can use these techniques to view a particular node, or view 2 or more nodes put together using the merge node. If you really want to learn how to use DaVinci Resolve Fusion to do a particular task, please comment on this video and let me know what exactly you want me to talk about in my next video. See you in my next video.